Hello. Thank you for your question regarding the relationship between wearing hearing aids and teeth grinding. At this time, there does not seem to be any association or relationship between wearing hearing aids and the habit of teeth grinding, but it is important to look into why this may be happening. One suggestion would be to sit down with the child and or the parents to discuss the situation. Perhaps the child feels the mold does not fit well or the hearing aid does not work well for him. Perhaps the new sounds or noise bother him. The child may be having pain from either the noise or the hearing aid. If the noise is loud or bothers him a lot, that could make him easily distracted. He may not like or want his hearing aid. There may be some problems or stress at home. Good luck!